What is 1.375 as a fraction in simplest form? Write the problem. To convert this to fraction, we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. So you are getting this number. For denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? If you want to reduce or simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. If you want to simplify this fraction in multi steps, then you can divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This number has 5 at the end, so this is divisible by 5. This has 0 at the end, so this is divisible by 5. If I divide, I will get 2, and if I divide, 5 goes into 13 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 5, 10, 3, 3, 7, means 7. 5 times 7, 35. Subtract 2, 20. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. You will get 2, and you will get what? 5 goes into 27. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract 2, 5 goes in 55, you will get. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. You will get 2, and you will get 11. Now write 11. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Look, this 11 is a prime number. It has only two factor, 1 and 11. You will not get any factor without these two. If you multiply two numbers between 1 and 11, you will not get 11. That is why this is a prime number. So we are done. But look, this is a improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So you need to convert this to mixed number. How to do that? So divide 8 goes into 11, 1 times 8, 8. Subtract 3. So this will be our whole number part. This will be our numerator, and this will be our denominator. So 1 and 3, 8 is the answer.